Hello from Node 101. In this tutorial, you will learn how to stake your umee tokens. First of all, go to the Kepler wallet and click Cosmos Hub and go to the down and you will see umee. Click on umee and then click stake. After clicking stake, you will see this page. Left side, click on umee and from all umee validators, search Node 101 and click manage and click delegate. Choose max umee and then change number after comma. I will change 8 to 7 to use for transaction fees and click delegate and approve it. So you can see transactions successful and you are delegating right now. From Restake app, you can easily restake your rewards. Go to the Restake and search umee and then click. Connect your Kepler wallet. Connect Kepler extension. Approve it. Now you can see your delegation. Go to the right side and click settings icon and view Node 101. Go to the stake and enable restake. You can see max amount. This is for limiting your restake and expire date for expiring restake application. Click enable and approve it. Now you restake your umees. You can see frequency, minimum reward, and last restake, next restake, etc. With restake, you can see that you can earn 38% APY from restake. But if you click Kepler Wallet, you can see you can earn 28% per year APA. That means you increased your stake rate with Restake app. So you can easily increase your rate. To redelegate, go to the wallet.kepler.app and click manage. After, click redelegate. From search validator section, write node 101 and click node 101 and click next and choose max and redelegate. You redelegate your umee tokens and approve it. Now you can earn umee from your staking. Thanks for watching.